Hey, it's Andy from Junkyard Empire. Long time no talk. Sorry I haven't done a whole lot lately. I just wanted to show you what we're going to do today and what we're starting with. Basically, we have a bare platform of a bathroom vanity with no handles. Right now I got some blue tape. This is how you open up the doors. So I wanted something cool. I wanted something different. I want to customize it to how I want it. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do and make my own handles for the vanity. All right, so all I have is some simple 1/2-inch copper pipe, pretty much perfect for gripping for a handle. I'm going to measure it out the distance that I want, which is half the distance of the door. So I'm going to go 6 1/4 inches. We're going to mark that sucker right like so. And then we're going to take our pipe cutter. I should have a big one here, yep. We're going to cut this baby off at the 6 1/4. And simply get it in there, right? All right, I'm pretty happy with that. It's in the middle, give it a little twist. As you're going around, you're tightening it up a little bit each time you go. Puts a little bigger groove in the copper. And voila, we got a 6 1/4 inch piece. So we're going to take a little of this flux, which I have here. And instead of breaking out the brush, I think I can just go ahead and smear that around like so. And what the flux does is it draws in the solder, because we're going to solder this joint. Reason I didn't take out the brushes because I'm only doing one of the handles for you today. I got about 20 of them to do. We're going to grab a glove because this will get hot. We're going to ignite our flame source. Get our solder. We can grab a couple of caps out of here. So, just make sure the cap fits on there because a lot of times it's all burred up. It works. Take it out. And heat that baby up. The key to soldering is you want to get this really hot. Once this gets hot, you can usually touch the solder to it. It's starting to melt. Give it a second. And I got that piece there. So just melt it down, you spin it around like so. Make sure you don't have any pieces floating around like that one. And voila, you have one soldered cap. Looks kind of cool. Now that sucker is really hot. So instead of me grabbing it, let me just throw some water on it. Do the same thing to the other side. I think I wiped off some of that flux, so we'll put a little bit more on there. And that pipe is hot, so it's not even sticking to it now. Get our cap. So, see that's got some burrs on it, so we'll go down here. We'll give it a little smack. Make sure we're at our 6 1/4. Still, we're looking really good. Heat that baby up. That just fell on there. Watch it melt. So it just goes right around there. And that's how you solder a joint. All right. We got one finished handle. We'll let that cool down for a second. All right, so we got our 6 1/4 inch pipe with our end cap soldered on. I'm gonna take 2 split ring hanger joint pipes. We put them on like so. And then we tighten them on down. And voila. You got a handle that is unique and cool, I think. And you can't find these in any stores. So we got a handle here. You can adjust where you want your pipe fittings. I went and drilled my holes in the drawer already so you guys could see them, but they're gonna go right in here, like so. So I got some 3/8 inch, 1.25 inch bolts. I'll slide those through the pre-drilled holes. You only need to grab like 3 of the threads. Here's another one. Tighten these down. You can adjust your pipe so it's sitting in the middle, which I'm gonna say that's pretty damn close. Take off your blue tape, and voila, you got some cool ass bathroom handles. Thanks for watching.